Automatic chip breaking function of CNC system. During CNC lathe machining, excessively long or tangled metal chips can easily scratch workpieces, accelerate tool wear, and even pose safety risks to operators. The chips also interfere with robotic arm pick place and truss systems. The automatic chip breaking function effectively resolves these issues by adding an excitation on the normal spindle rotation and specifying number of vibrations per spindle revolution. This low-frequency vibration converts continuous machining into intermittent cutting, thereby achieving automatic chip breaking. Users just insert G152P_I command into G-code program and set rotation count and chip breaking frequency to enable automatic chip breaking. This function ensures continuous cleanliness of tools, fixtures, and workpieces, facilitating smooth robotic arm handling for loading/unloading and significantly enhancing lathe automation efficiency.